Are you trying to decide between Feedly and Inoreader? You are not alone. Many people want to know which one is better for their reading needs. Today, we'll compare these two popular RSS readers. Both tools help you gather news and updates from your favorite websites in one place. They save you time and keep you informed. Let's start with Feedly. It has a clean design and is easy to use. You can organize your feeds into categories. Feedly also offers a web version and mobile apps. It lets you save articles for later and share them easily. Plus, it has some cool features for teams and businesses. Now, let's look at Inoreader. This tool is also user friendly but offers more advanced options. You can customize your reading experience with filters and rules. Inoreader allows you to search your feeds quickly. It also has offline reading, which is great for when you're on the go. So, what are the main differences? Feedly focuses on simplicity and ease of use, while Inoreader is all about customization and advanced features. If you want a straightforward tool, Feedly is a good choice. If you need more control over your reading experience, Inoreader might be better for you. When it comes to features, both tools have their strengths. Feedly has a strong integration with other apps, while Inoreader excels in automation and organization options. In terms of pricing, Feedly offers a free version with limited features. InnoReader also has a free option but charges for more advanced features. In the end, it really depends on your needs. If you prefer simplicity, go for Feedly. If you want more control, choose InnoReader. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.